Learn Turkish words and phrases and Turkish for beginners. How to say good evening in Turkish. Good evening, iyi akşamlar. 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 Now you try. Good evening, iyi akşamlar. Good evening, iyi akşamlar.